If you want to add a sequential list of numbers to your Google Sheets table, watch this video and you'll know exactly how to do it with just a simple formula. Alright, so here's my table and it already has rows and columns. To add numbering to this list, we need to insert an extra column before the client name column right here. So, right-click on the column that contains client name or your first column, then choose Insert one column left. Now let's give this new header cell a name. Then, double-click on the first cell where you want the automatic numbering to begin. Type an equal sign and start with the sequence function. The sequence function automatically generates a series of numbers, so you don't have to type them manually one by one. Inside the parentheses, we need to tell Google Sheets how many numbers we want to generate. Counter counts all non-empty cells in a range. Then, select range from column C, starting at cell C6. This means formula will count how many filled cells exist in column C and automatically generate the same amount of sequence numbers. Close parenthesis and press enter. Once you press enter, sequence numbers will instantly fill down based on the available data in column C. And that's how you can automatically create auto-numbering in Google Sheets using a simple formula. Thank you for watching and have a great day.